In this video we are going to see how to record screen with OBS. First step, create new scene. In the scene panel, click add button, click it, enter the name of the scene, click OK. Next step, add a display capture source. In the source panel, click add button, select display capture, enter a name, click OK, select display and click OK. In the next step, add microphone. In the audio mixture, check your microphone appear or not. If it's not appear means you need to click settings, click it, click audio settings, click it, select your microphone under mic. Once selecting after, click apply and OK. Next step, choose recording settings, click settings, click output settings, click recording tab and select recording path. Depends on you, you can set it. Recording format depends on you, you can set which type of format you need, and video encoder, click apply and OK. And the next step, set video resolution. For this, click video settings. Depends on you, you can set the resolution and set the FPS. You can set 60 or 30. Once clicking after, click OK. The last and final step, start recording. Once the record complete after, you need to click stop recording. So this is how to record screen with OBS. Thank you.